To Allah belongs the universe, so beautiful. The planets, stars go floating past, obeying His will. To Allah belongs the earth and sky, so wonderful. Oh, the oceans wide, the mountains high, the animals. Looking at the sky, so many million miles over space and time, there is only one God. From a treetop, watch the sun start through a dewdrop. There is only one God. There is only one God. Praise be to Him. My life is His. Glory be to Him. La ilaha illallah. To Allah belong the jinn, the angels, and all men. From purify a purest life and colored sins. To Allah belong the messengers sent to guide. For every nation, those who came, all they tried to bring back the light, guide through the night, make everything right. There is only one God, Muhammad the last, given the task, peace do we ask. There is only one God. There is only one God. Praise be to Him. My life is His. Glory be.
And I'm the pastor at St. Luke's Christian Community Church. And I have really enjoyed being with friends and acquaintances here at MEC again. And the luncheon was wonderful. The presentations were wonderful as well.
Hello, I'm Marlene. I'm from the Morton Grove Public Library. I'm one of the librarians there, and I'm just here to get to know our Muslim neighbors. We love having everybody come in the library, and we love being a part of your community, and grateful for such an event today. I think it's wonderful.
So I heard about the event of building bridges through Mandy, one of our librarians at the Muskoka Public Library, which is where I work, and I thought that it was important to come and meet my neighbors.
I really enjoyed meeting the women here, and I'm so glad I came.
This has been a wonderful experience. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and it was really nice to hear all the different feedback in the panel. Thank you so much.
I'm really enjoying it, and I'm hoping that I'll be a part of even more events like that. Thank you.
Ya Allah, I think of you and I feel safer. Al-Ghafar, the forgiver of the sinners. Al-Qahar, the subduer, the ender. Al-Wahhab, the bestower, no one's higher. Al-Razak, the provider, He's the greatest, He's the guider. Al-Fatah, the opener and judge of judges. Al-Alim, all-knowing, His attributes are ongoing. It is His promises that keep me hoping. We give a few of Allah's infinite attributes. We say, Allah, we love you for everything you do. We show appreciation, repeat that you're the greatest, to prove we only wish to be in your good graces.
To Allah belongs everything I call my own. The heart within my body.